Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. We have in the shop today 2013 Toyota Sienna. This is my first time with this lady and maybe it will be last time. Customer bought it with a salvage title from Sacramento. She's, I will say, completely destroyed. That poor thing has a salvage title. It's completely, horribly destroyed. It's again that chop shop. That's what they do down there. I see the worst vehicles always from there. They are crashed, and there are a lot of people who buy those from Copart and other auctions, and they just patch it up and they sell it. And this is not okay. This door is completely destroyed, misaligned, cannot really be moved, and no surprise. You see that? No surprise to anybody. It doesn't lock and unlock. This is completely screwed up. It's a horror. That's why I'm saying, look at the roof. There's, guys, chunks of Bondo cracking and peeling off. When it's closed, yeah, I will need two hands to even close it. So let's go back to the problems. The customer said many electrical problems. This door, he wants diagnose why is it not locking. Well, there's no way to deal with it, but one of the items is here. If I put the lights on, this entire unit doesn't work. I have brake lights, 3 brake lights, they work. This unit goes on, and when I put in reverse, this works too. But on this side, this is completely dead. So let's deal with it in this video. I didn't waste any time going look for some fuse. These items should be on the same fuse circuit. So what I did, I lifted her up, and here the trim, it's held by these. So you grab one of your tools and you remove it from this panel. In the past, on different models, you have to start with these ones or remove these ones. On 2013 Sienna, there's no need. You really start with this panel. So if you look towards to the bottom, and that will be the last hint, there are 2 supporting hooks. So you will basically start here, and the hooks, this is one of the hooks and this is the other one. So you start peeling the whole panel from here, you continue, and then it will be, the panel will move slightly forward and you will drop it down. After that, I checked that everything is hooked here, and you might think it's this bunch of LEDs, but it's not. This is the reverse bulb. That's for the white, and I confirm the reverse works. And this is the bulb which creates the light for these mini LEDs. As we said, brake light is here. It's not part of these ones. So I came here, and what did I find? Both of these bulbs are missing. So I went ahead, ordered them, and I'm just waiting for those to be delivered. I'm not sure why both bulbs are missing and they are not there, the old ones, and they are being burned, which will be your case. But in this case of this, unfortunately, Frankenstein, because she's so damaged and missing so many parts, in this case, maybe it's related to that salvage title. I came here just open the hood. The battery completely missing the strap, so it's just freely moving there and back. I need to put it in comments for him. I'm not sure why he bought this vehicle when it's obvious it's absolutely destroyed. All these repairs here, this is peeling Bondo. I don't know if she was rotated upside down, if somebody flipped her in the ditch or something, but I feel sorry for her, and this will be most likely last time I will take this car in my shop. I honestly have a lot of work and I don't need this. You know, this is crazy. This vehicle was heavily damaged and was incorrectly repaired. It hurts me. Poor thing. And make sure you are subscribed, because there's another challenge. He said not only the locks for that sliding door. This one is good, no problem. He also said, hey, this entire overhead console is completely inoperable. So please, that will be your number 2. Inspection and diagnosis. I will make video how to remove this, because apparently there's nothing on YouTube yet. And here we go. Delivery people are here. Happy as usually. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
And here you can see both bulbs needed. So the large one, a 921, is for the reverse light, and 168 is for these LED looking lights. I will start with the large one, which we said it's the reverse. So it goes where the clear is, and the baby will go where the orange reddish area is. Don't lose the ceiling O-ring. Make sure the wire is free, not pinched or anything. I think this is okay. So we can close the hatch and test the results. I don't even need the key in ignition, excuse me. Look at these puppies. And that was, my friend, that was that. Now it perfectly works. You see what I see? It's a really nice song for a Christmas time. So this was completely bad. You see, there is one of the lights for the license plate is bad, and we said the reverse on this vehicle is here. So I will just, again, this time we will put the key in ignition and put it in reverse. It doesn't have to be running, so we will get in an accident. So ignition on and the reverse. You can see it there. Let's go just check that the repair was correct. And this one item for him is finally working. He was concerned about these for a safety. I agree with him. I always try to show you max of the whole repair, despite the fact I didn't plan on filming that, but at the end I have time. So now I will install it in front of you, and that's just the reverse of removal. So I said, here are the hooks. You start with those, you engage these two, they help you somehow maybe to hold it up. And after that, I start aligning these clips. You saw them. And the whole panel is carefully, without breaking it, being attached to the vehicle. If it doesn't go, don't force it. Always go back and make sure that the pins are aligned properly, but they should be. And look at that, my friend. This is perfectly installed, considering this vehicle has a salvage title. Let's go and close that door. These plates, covers, how can somebody live with this and listen this stuff all the time? I don't know, that drives me nuts, but I will not touch it. It's their vehicle. So I hope you like this video or you will find it helpful in the future. If you do, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I will continue with filming how to remove the console. I looked online, this generation Sienna, there's not one video showing how to take it off. And because of that, I will film it for you in the future when you will be fighting with it. Because it's not obvious, there are not any more screws, you just push on. Thank you for watching and have a good day.